Ah, Gordon. Here you are.
Good morning, Doctor. Looks like you two are right on time today.
Hello, and again, welcome to the Aperture Science Computer-Aided Enrichment Center. We hope your brief detention in the relaxation vault has been a pleasant one. Your specimen has been processed, and we are now ready to begin the test proper. Before we start, however, keep in mind that although fun and learning are the primary goals of all enrichment center activities, serious injuries may occur. For your own safety and the safety of others, please refrain from
Por favor, por
donde falla. Muchas gracias. De falla, gracias. And back.
Welcome, gentlemen, to Aperture Science. Astronauts, war heroes, Olympians, you're here because we want the best.
Dr. Freeman, I presume.
That eager voice you heard is the lovely Carolyn, my assistant.
Greetings.
Sorry, fellas, she's married. To science.
Aperture Science. We do what we must because we can. For the good of all of us, except the ones who are dead. But there's no sense crying over every mistake. You just keep on